It feels like the first time. It feels like the very first time, yeah. I'm recteq Chef John. We're redoing the first cook I ever did on the RT 700. Today I'm stopping by the grocery store to pick up some burgers and heading out to outdoor Augusta at the Savannah River to relive my first recteq burgers with my good friend Andy Colbert.
Dude!
What's up, buddy?
How you doing, John?
Good to see you, my friend. Man, that first cook, I remember coming out here, it was pretty much like a day like today. It was nice outside, it was a little warm, but it was nice being on the water. I didn't have anything to cook. I didn't even realize, that I didn't have anything, but you came through with those burgers. It was a perfect thing to cook for the first thing in your grill. We seasoned up those grates really nice. The burgers put off a lot of fat, which helps season the inside of your cooker. It was just, all in all, it was a great time. And the grill pretty much did all the work. All I remember is really sitting around eating chips and drinking beers.
It is amazing that you just set that thing and forget about it.
I mean it's awesome.
You
it's
described
awesome.
the perfect day at the same time, simultaneously describing the perfect grill.
I'm telling you. Andy.
Oh, buddy.
Dude, these burgers came out ridiculous. I mean, they came out perfect. It was the first cook. They were nice and fatty. They had the bacon inside of them. We seasoned them up with Ben's heifer dust. I mean, it totally takes me back to the first time we did these things, man.
I really feel like the new dimension is going to blow my mind.
I'm telling you right now, start building them up. Put a little of this on here. Oh yeah, I'm going to do it correct.
In a way that I could never.
I'm going to do it correct for you, no doubt about that. You take mustard on yours?
Oh yeah.
Okay, my man. A little mayo. Little dab, little dab. Oh, it's looking righteous. Bro,
Lord.
Get you some of that.
You want me to sink into this?
Yeah, get you some of that. What do you think, my friend? Does it take you back?
Way back.
My man, that's what I'm talking about. I'm recteq Chef John. We're redoing the first cook I ever did on the RT 700. I'm saying quality food is quality of life. We'll see you at the recteq.